everyone, my name is Louie and you're watching Very in Pampanga. So right now we are here at Marquis Hotel and Restaurant. This is located at 954 Rizal Street, corner Plaridel Street. This is at Malabanias, Barangay Malabanias, Angeles City. So Marquis is around 20 or 30 rooms available, and they do have this restaurant. So normally on a normal day, say Monday to Thursday, I think, they serve ang sinaserve nila sa restaurant, it's the regular menu. But during Fridays, so just on a Friday, they do have this buffet. So for only 380 pesos, you'll get an unlimited array of food. So pagtapusan nyo kung anong makita. What's available? So of course, there's the soup, so the corn chowder soup. Ito yung mga side dishes nila actually. So while your food's being cooked, so actually it's most of the dito main meat nila dito is grilled. So pakita ko their main dishes. So yan, they got pork chop, chicken, so they got squid. Ako ito gusto ko, grilled salmon. Here. So if you are into sausages, yan. So may Hungarian, Frank, Polish, supreme cheese. I'm sure someone's gonna love this. Cheesy and shublig. Yan. It's up to you. So again, if there's the beef tenderloin. So meron ding mga Mediterranean food like this, shish kebab, satay, chicken kebab, and spicy cubes. Yeah, so on this side, so this is their salad station. So they got this mixed vegetable. So may ito yung mga dressings. So they got usual Thousand Islands ranch, but suggest sa akin ni ma'am kanina is Thai dressing. So mamaya titikman natin yan. So on this side they have Korean kimchi radish. On this side, pakita naman natin how they don't cook it yourself. So may mga ibang tao na ayaw nilang mag-amoy smoke or they don't want to cook. So this is where you go. So yeah. So mga usually ilang minutes. Depends. For the sausages. Yeah, so again, we'd like to thank Marquis Hotel and Restaurant. So this is located sa Rizal Street, corner Plaridel, Malabanias, Angeles City. So later on, titikman natin to. Of course, experience. Thank you. So luto na lahat ng pinag-grill natin. Let's go to our table para matikman na to. Tara! got my seafood here. Salmon, chicken, and then I got my steaks, my pork chop, my kebabs, my salad, my fruits, soup, mashed potato juice, and of course sausages. Alright, so again, if you do like this video, please do share it with your friends. And I hope to see you again on our next experience. My name is Louie, and thanks for watching here in Pampanga. Until our next experience. Bye!